This video is sponsored by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, United Hospital, KVR University, News and Fabrics Clothes Store, Surat Khazana, Chulbul Lighting and Furniture, and by Smart Super Bazaar.
So today, how your lecturers do in college, the program will be not like that. It will be an interactive session. I want each and every student to get involved with our sir by asking questions. There will be a lot of activities will be done. So same time the learning will happen with activity. All the way you have come here, gathered here. So you have to utilize your time. We have good speaker with us. Whatever the challenges you are facing being a student, you have to ask and solve your problems. This is the right time. I know very well. I was a student. There are a lot of stress for examination, for future. Lot of problems you might be facing being a student. So, but you have hesitation. So this is the right platform we have organized for you people.
On the World's Mental Health Day, I welcome today's chief guest speaker, Prabhu Kiran sir, and I welcome one more chief guest, Vinod Kumar sir, who is the Corporation Commissioner. I also welcome all the Rotarians and students who have turned out today's special day. Today we have organized a awareness camp on World's Mental Health Day in association with Self-Reliance Vision Trust with the help of Asim ji, who is a very enthusiastic person who himself runs an NGO to help the people out. As a Rotary president, you should be always knowing that Rotary is the biggest social organization which is rated most transparent organization in globally. We are out and out helping out people in many ways, and the most our flagship project you should be knowing. You know polio. The polio in India is eradicated because of only Rotary.
So I would like to welcome and to Dr. Saab to say a few words.
Good morning to everyone. Respected President of this Rotary Club, Vice President Dr. Gogi sir and Mr. Hashim sir. Respected Commissioner Snehal Lokande sir is out of station. He was supposed to come over here. Somehow he has told me and he requested me to go this, and most probably Mr. Hashim sir has come to my chamber and he told that you should attend sir. So I am here. So no problem. It's a very important topic. But thing is that implementation and to whomever it is applicable, those peoples may not get this proper address of the VIPs and all. So where it is lacking, and for that reason, I think in entire India, so mental problems in India are more oftenly happening in India because of unawareness of this program. And see, globally it is it challenges the global progress also. Suppose somebody is suffering from the mental problem, so I think he's hampering the progress of the nation as well as his house and his own personality also.
Spend time much with the kids, or even if they spend time, they'll ask only two things. Beta pad rahe ho? ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲೋ ಮಗನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಲಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ಓದ್ಸಕತ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಓದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅ ಫಾದರ್ ಸೇಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ಬೇಟಾ ಖಾನಾ ಖಾಲು, ಮಗ ಊಟ ಮಾಡು. ಅ ಮದರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಫೀಡ್, ಅ ಫಾದರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. Excluding these two things, most of the parents won't get much time to talk to their kids. Why I am focusing on the kids or an adolescent is because this is an age where most of the problems arises, and these are most neglected. And this is the time where a child or a adult is very impulsive. So first thing is communication. The more you are communicative, the more you are approachable, or more you reapproach, the better the mental health is. Don't go outside, I'll go outside. Don't drive the bike, I will drive the bike. Don't drive the car, I will drive the car. Don't eat that, I will eat that. Don't smoke, I will smoke. Don't drink, I will drink. It is not because, he want to do it. He just want to negate whatever the father says. Or he just don't want to listen to the parents.
Because of that, these children mental health is affecting. So for that, what government should initiate? What type of initiative should be done by government?
Even your mobile has a relative control, and your digital learning is an app which is in the Android for every mobile. So you can work on that, or in YouTube you can have parental restrictions. So based on that, I think rather than thinking it as a misuse, it is being seen as a positive, that most of the time if a cartoon teaches something, the child is listening to it more better than the teacher telling it. So now, the Mickey Mouse apps have come, where Mickey Mouse is trying to teach you 1 plus 1 is 2. And child is learning much more better than even a teacher saying it. So I think taking something as negatively, I think we should look at its strength. So most of the time what is happening is like even Byju's app or some apps which have come, they are faring much more better than even a regular class teacher. And I think future probably schools will really run on physical kind of a thing. I think it's more online, and I think the training and the quality is also much more better than physically what teacher.
Hi everyone. Today on the occasion of World's Mental Health Day, we Rotary Club of Gulbarga Midtown, in association with Self-Reliant NGO, we are doing an awareness program on World's Mental Health Day for students. For the students who are these days are facing peer pressures for their studies and their career regarding. So we are doing a very important project regarding the mental health, which is the need of the hour.
Myself, Dr. Prabhu Kiran, neuropsychiatrist, working as a consultant in BR Neuropsychiatric Hospital. Today we are in association with Rotary Club and our AGIS. We are conducting an awareness program for psychiatric illnesses on the occasion of the World Mental Health Day 2021. And here we are trying to address the issues of adolescent mental health, and we are giving them the inputs with respect to psychiatric illnesses like depression, mania, substance abuse, eating disorders, and other psychiatric illness like autism, attention deficit hyperactive disorders, and various other personality disorders. And it was an interactive session, and many of the questions were asked by the students, and we addressed them satisfactorily.
वर्ल्ड मेंटल हेल्थ डे हम यहाँ पे रोटरी क्लब के साथ कोलैबोरेट होके मनाएं। मेरा नाम मोहम्मद आसिम है, मैं सेल्फ रिलायंट विजन बोल के NGO चलाता हूँ। तो whenever we get an opportunity or time, we conduct such social events for the welfare of students. So today it was World Mental Health Day celebrated throughout the world. So on this occasion, we invited all students from different streams and different colleges to attend this program for the welfare of mental health. So I really thanks, first of all I would like to thanks our Rotary Club President Sir, Rakesh Idgi Sir, for giving his precious time and collaborating with us, with our NGO. And same time I would like to thanks our guest speaker, Dr. Prabhu Kiran Gogi Sir, who is a neuropsychiatric from NIMHANS. The main intention to organize this event was to bring awareness in students regarding mental health. Nowadays, there are a lot of issues related to mental health the students are facing. So, we have, being a motivational speaker, I conduct seminars in different colleges and I come across students who are suffering from this kind of ailments. But students, due to lack of awareness and knowledge, they are unable to express what condition they are facing due to mental health. So, observing this all, this was the right time on this precious occasion. We invited our sir and sir interacted with all students related to different topics of mental health. And through this platform, I would like to give a message that all colleges, even government sector, has to take initiate to promote such events related to mental health. It is very, very important because recently WHO, the World Health Organization, had said that India is a depressed country. We have, in 4 members, we have one depressed patient in India. But due to lack of awareness and due to the, even we have very less practitioners, doctors. So that is the reason it is ignored in our society, the mental illnesses. We think that mental illness is only like all like mental disorders, not like that. Even your behavior, if you have some personality problem, there are a lot of ailments related to mental health. So we have to bring awareness. So through this platform, I would like to give a message to all related concerned departments to take an initiate to organize such events and bring awareness in the people, in society, so that we can overcome all these kind of disorders. So I thanks once again and thank you very much.
This video is sponsored by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, United Hospital, KVR University, News and Fabrics Clothes Store, Surat Khazana, Chulbul Lighting and Furniture, and by S-Mart Super Bazaar.